Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we're at this cool amazing product right here. As you can see, basically what this is a glass screen protector that is for the brand new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. So first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you what it actually looks like and what comes out the package first. So when you guys first open the product itself, this is what it looks like inside. So when you open the product inside, this is basically what it looks like, as you can see right here. So let's take this part out. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. So they provide us a little warranty card right here. They provide us a little user manual. They provide us some wet wipes, if you can see. Very nice package. So there's two of them. They also provide us one of these so you can actually put it onto your phone and have a perfect fit every single time when you guys put on your glass screen protector. And last but not least, we have the actual glass screen protector right here. So there's two of them right here. So this is basically what it looks like. As you can see, very durable and high quality. So basically all you guys have to do is just take it off and slowly apply it on. But obviously you guys want to wipe your phone down and everything first and then put this layer on. That way it doesn't have a perfect fit every single time when you guys put it on. If you guys take a look at the actual product right here, it actually mentions some of the stuff that's on the glass screen protector itself. So it's scratch resistant, dust resistant, crack resistant, bubble free, and also some other benefits on the actual product itself as well. And if you have any issues with the product itself, you guys can always contact them and they'll probably help you guys replace it or figure out a resolution for you guys for the product itself. So let's actually apply this on to share us how easy it is to apply it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got our brand new phone right here. So we're going to apply on our glass screen protector on. So obviously the first thing we want to do is use the wet wipes that they provide us right here. Just open this up first. Alright, so they give us the wet wipes, the little cleaning cloth, and then a dust absorber that can remove any of the dust on the actual phone itself. So we're just going to use the wet wipe first and wipe down the phone first. Now you guys want to use the cleaning cloth to wipe off anything on the actual phone itself. Make sure it's not wet, make sure it's dry. And if you guys have any of the dust that's on the actual phone itself, you guys can use the sticker right here to remove it. So you want to go like this. So you just want to apply on just like this. Make sure it fits correctly and just let it go, do its own thing like that. Alright, so as you can see, this is the final product. There's a little bit bubble right here, but that's completely fine. It actually works really well, as you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that it's really easy to actually apply it on. Having that extra accessory that they provide us right here is actually really nice. They basically promise that you guys have a perfect fit every single time. Because of having this accessory will help you guys apply perfectly every single time if you guys follow the instructions to like wipe off any dust or anything that's on the actual iPhone itself. But basically from the test itself, as you can see, it's really easy to use, really easy to apply, which is pretty awesome. But now that we do the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously I would have to say that this is actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are paying so much for a phone that's so expensive, you guys want to protect it at all costs. So that way you guys don't have to bring it to the Apple store and get it fixed or anything. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have